Hi students, good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. See, in the last video we had discussed about what is a home and what is the difference between home and house. We had discussed it. And a home is a place where the people living with joy, happiness, they will share their happiness and sorrow. Like that we discussed several points. So one more point I want to add. So home is a place where we can feel it is a safety. So it is the safest place where we can feel secure. So wherever we go outside, sometimes we'll go to picnics and parks, wherever we go to schools, our relatives' houses. So after coming our house, after coming our home, say, after opening the door, we feel that yes, we came to our home. As this the place is ours. That feel comes or not? You tell me. Maybe you had experience, I think. So in the last class, I asked you to write one question. Write down what is a home for you. So what is a home? I am discussing several points. But what is a home for you? What you feeling about what is a home for you? I think you are living in a home only, not a house. Now, about home, in the textbook also he gave some points. Home is, as Radha Lachar said, a great team of husband, wife and children living in love and unity through there is diversity. There is a diversity in the home. The people who are living, they have different opinions, but even though there is a unity also. They accept each other with each one's uniqueness, care and concern and shared in times of joy and sorrow. There are arguments, differences of opinions, yet they live in joy and contentment as forgiveness takes place side by side. Love and acceptance are the keys to home. Keys, K-E-Y-S. What is the key for home? Love and acceptance. And in some cases, sometimes you have observed, even though nowadays also in villages, you can find some joint families. And grandmother, grandfather, aunties, uncles, cousins. Like that, homes, there is more love. There is more love sharing, generosity, sacrifice, support, forgiveness and companionship. See, in textbook, one more story is given. So I am not reading line to line story. First I will explain you. After that you can read the story. I will send you pages also. After that we will read. So what is the main theme? What is the main concept of the story? There is a conversation between two men. One man is asking to others, which house do you live in? Which house do you live in? Then other man answered, I don't live in a house. The boy quickly replied, I live in a home. Then the other man asked, what is the difference? The young lad means young man. The young lad pointed the right hand to the rising sun. And in which house you are living means he shown that side there. He pointed that right hand where the sun is rising. He is showing that sun rising. The sun there appears to be shining on a house. He said, but it really shines only in a home. Here sunshine means it is not the physical sunrises. It's not telling about that sunrises, that sun rays rising on your home. It is not their meaning is not in the physical sense. The shine of a sun means in the home is comparing the shine of a sun with happiness, the interest of a persons, that where we can share our happiness with our family members. That means what makes a home? The love, sympathy, confidence, memories of our childhood, kindness of parents, bright hopes of youth, sisters' pride and brothers' sympathy and help, and the mutual confidence, the common hopes and interests and sorrows. These create the sanctity of the home. These all points is comparing with the shine. See, it shines only in a home. The sun there appears to be shining on a house. Then these all points is symbolically showing that, see, the sun shines only in my home, is showing like that. Now there is one activity in your textbook. Write down below what is the difference between home and house. These points we had discussed already in the last video only. In the beginning of this chapter home, I asked you what is the difference between home and house. You write on your own points. You don't write what I am teaching, that points only. That means what you feel about home and house. I want to remind again that home is generally, I said from I am sharing my part. See, house means only rooms, furniture, bedroom, bathroom, the kitchen, hall, like this. Is a home is made with walls, tiles, bricks, cement. Sorry, house is made with, this house is made with some rooms, walls, tiles, bricks, cement. So by this some physical material we can prepare one house. But home means, just now we discussed all these points where the people, you write on your own sentences. Say home means where the people live with joy, happiness, sharing, they are expressing their views and interest. See, in our house only we can show our anger on our mother or father. Say, mommy, I want this food today now. Daddy, I want this bag now. I want this dress. That means we are express our interest. And we feel this is the safest zone. Wherever you go outside, after coming to your home, you feel that as we came to our place. Like that. So, right, what is the difference between home and house? And in the textbook, some philosophers, they said about homes. Charles M. Crow, blueprint of a house. Home, a world of strife, shut out. A world of love, shutting. Strife means troubles. That means the place where all our troubles are shut down, shut out. That is the place home. And the love, shut in. That means generally we can say the whole world love I brought you in my hand. Like that, the whole love of the world we can experience in our home. Home, a place where the small are great and great are small. That means small children, they can demand like, I want this, mommy, I want that, daddy. But the elder people, they will pamper the children like small kids, whatever they want, their mother and father, they will give. Home, the father's kingdom and mother's world and the child's paradise. Home, the place where the grumble the most and are treated the best. Home, the center of our affection, round which our heart's best wishes twine. Home, the place where our stomach gets 3 square meals a day and our hearts 1,000. So, after watching this video, what is a home, what is a house, discuss some points with your brothers and sisters, with your family members, and write down the questions in textbook. What is a home for you? What is the difference between home and house? These all points you discuss with your family members and write. Okay, thank you one and all.